All right, we've got our Jimmy Long deep flat hook, our Sparrow's tension wrench. We're going to give this Sargent a go. Feels like we got a set on 3. 4 is next. Looks like 6. Maybe 5 might be set. 1. That's 2. Go back to that 5th pin. And there we go. All right, let's open this baby up and see what we've got here. All right. Get our wire driver here. One screw, 2 screw, back cap, right. Follower. Oop. What do we lose here? Pin 6. All right, so we got 6 here. Change our ankle here too. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. And nothing. Well, that's a little nasty. We got this little short guy here with this big fatty at the back. It's a little, nothing too crazy, but let's see what we've got here. So our first driver, second driver, third, fourth, 5th, and 6th. Okay, so nothing too crazy. No security pins in this one. Some of these are a little long. Definitely got some depth in there, but it's all right. Okay, let's start getting these back in. Start from the 3. Go 1. 2. 3. Back that up a bit. And pin 4. Pin 5. And pin 6. Go. Start from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go. Shove that bad boy back in there. Bam. Got a back cap. Go. First screw. And one more. And there we go. Sargent 6-pin mortise. Another one bites the dust. Got our Jimmy Longs, long flat hook, Sparrow's tension wrench for top of the keyway, Sparrow's tweezers, follower, and our wire driver. All right, Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.